Okay, hi everyone. So today we're going to engage with the literacy strategy reciprocal teaching. And so reciprocal teaching is an instructional activity in which the students become the teacher in small group reading sessions. And so as the students are going through their reading, there are four parts that they should be keeping in mind. So the first one being questioning. This is just questioning the text by asking literal and inferential questions of one another. The second is clarifying, which is when the students will kind of go through and write down anything that is confusing or needs cleared up. And they can start to understand these questions that they have through either using like more sources such as a dictionary, a glossary, asking the teacher, or just through discussion with their students or their fellow classmates. Next is summarizing, and this is just where the students will summarize the main ideas of the passage. And then lastly is predicting, and this can either come at the beginning or the end. So students make predictions about the text or about what the author is going to discuss in the passage based on the prior knowledge that they have. And so we're going to use this literacy strategy to help us understand the periodic table. So your learning objective is to understand the development of the periodic table through exploring the history. And also I want you to be able to find information about specific elements on the periodic table. And so your first task will be to read a short passage about the history of the periodic table and respond to the initial Padlet prompt. And then next, you're going to get into assigned groups. So I have everybody assigned into 6 different groups, and you will read the passage about the history and specific properties of your assigned element. So each group will have a different element that they're assigned. And then after you've done that, I want you to add to the group collaborative poster. And a collaborative poster is a specific reciprocal teaching strategy. And this is where students are in groups and they are all adding to the questioning, clarifying, summarizing, and predicting portion of the poster in order to better understand the text and to kind of engage with each other. And so the last thing you'll do in task number 2 is to interact with your different group members. You can try and answer each other's questions. If you both were confused about the same portion of the text, maybe acknowledge that. And then after that, your closing activity will be to respond to the reflective Padlet prompt. And then after that, you will be done. And so everything can be found in the Start Here Google Drive in the folder.